Try this method of preparing noodles and you will love it. This is very easy, so simple, and turn out delicious, and I hope you're going to give it a try. So first thing first, bring water to a boil. Once it starts boiling, add in your noodles, stir it and make sure it is cooked. Drain the water and keep it aside. Next is to blend your veggies, which is onion, ginger, garlic, habanero pepper, red bell pepper. You can add in chili pepper or yes, chili pepper. Blend until almost smooth and keep it aside. Now in a different saucepan, add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil and then go in with the blended veggies. So let this steam for about 3 to 5 minutes. You want it to steam well before going in with your eggs. So after 5 minutes, add in the eggs. Let it cook for some minutes again before stirring it. So you still want some chunks of eggs in your recipe. So please let it cook for a while before stirring it. Then I added in sardine and corned beef, which is totally optional. You can choose it if you want. You can use canned tuna, any protein of your choice at all. Go in with your vegetables. In my case, I added in carrot, green bell pepper, and onion. I added in back the noodles and then the spice with the spice that came with the noodles, but I didn't add in all. It was only one. I used 2 packs of noodles, but I used only 1 spice. Stir it, and basically there's a last ingredient going in was fresh parsley, and it is very simple, guys. It is simple. It turned out delicious. My son was really in love with this amazing recipe. Except the carrots. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to share. Bye bye.